Kimpau pasilip sa kanilang last shooting day yesterday. Kimpau on their last shooting day pasilip. So ito yung manay din ni Miss Garlic. After a 15-hour shoot day with travel time, that's a wrap. Thank you all who made this show possible. So ayan, it's a wrap finally. The shooting of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim is done. So ayan, yan nga yung kaganapan nila yesterday with team What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Ayan yung location nila guys, the peaceful location sa kaganapan nila yesterday sa last shooting day ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim guys. So ayan siya. So ayan yung mga event staffs guys. So ayan sila kuya. And that's Kimpau shooting day guys. So ayan, naka-yellow na dress. Then naka-polo si Paolo Avelino and then other event staffs of course. Ito kaganapan pa din to ni Kimi ng showtime sa Jeremy guys. So ayan, grabe ka Chinita Princess, ako nahilo. Yan yung time na nahihirapan tagalin si Chinita Princess sa lubid sa paa niya guys. Kaya sabi nga niya buti natanggal naman. So ayan, yan na yung time na tinanggal niya na nahirapan siya. Ayan kaya so ayan, after their pasabog prod nung Saturday guys. So ayan, backstage kulitan. Ayan, congratulations guys backstage with ayan MC Jugs, Ion, and Teddy Spotting. Ako si Lassie. So ayan, kulitan nila during there. Tapos na yung prod nila. So ayan sila nagkukulitan din. Ayan si Lassie. What happened to Lassie B? So ayan. Balot na balot ba naman tissue ata yan. So ayan. And that's it guys. Ingat, love lot. Sorry kung ganito yung boses ko guys kasi madalang araw ngayon. Tapos nagre-record pa ako. Kaya ngarag. Sorry po.